Do I still need to keep my old trust that doesn't have any assets in it? Quick answer is no, you don't. If it doesn't make sense, if there's nothing in the trust, if there's no assets in there, it really is just a piece of paper. There's no downside to closing it down when we're speaking here to specifically revocable living trusts. However, if you have a trust that has assets in it, before you just try to disregard it and say, I want to get rid of the trust or I want to move the assets of the trust into something else, we want to make sure that we understand all of the assets that are in your trust and getting them out and getting them retitled to the appropriate place. Now, the big caveat, the thing you have to watch out for is if you have an irrevocable trust, which is one that you cannot make changes to, that means you can't just go in and cancel out and revoke this trust. There are specific provisions on what has to happen when you have a trust that cannot be revoked. You can't just say, I'm done with this and I'm not going to worry about it anymore. If that trust has assets in it, it may not be that simple. So work with a professional, especially when you're dealing with a trust, to make sure you're going through the right process, the right proceedings, so that if you don't need that trust anymore, you don't have to keep it, but wind it down correctly, make sure it's revoked correctly so you don't run into problems down the road.